Hey everyone, this is our 1989 Suburban, equipped for overlanding or car camping, whatever you'd like to call it. Just wanted to do a quick video, kind of show you the build out that we did for the back. But first off, I guess the Suburban itself is actually a full bedliner paint job, which is pretty cool, with a custom color that we did, kind of like a green gray tone. It is on about a 4-inch lift, and we were able to fit 37-inch tires, all terrains, with 17-inch ProComp wheels as well. So, but for the back here, which was kind of the main piece, it's all built out of 3/4-inch plywood. I treated the top piece and all the side pieces with black paint, just kind of standard paint. Now this whole drawer here is actually a full 60-inch drawer, so it's actually the whole length of the whole platform, which is really awesome. Now at first we actually had this on real ball bearing slides, but that didn't really work out too well. The wood was a little bit warped, so we decided to go with some high density polymer in there, which actually works really well as a slide. So you can easily slide that in and out. That kind of pops back in place right there. And then this one over here is I believe it's a 42-inch drawer. This one is on locking slides, multiple different positions. So this one comes out to about 40 inches, and you're able to lock this in different positions, bring that in and out. Now with that also, I do have one more thing to finish up with this one here. Now once this is out here, I'm gonna have this piece under here where I actually slide out a little bit further, another piece of 40-inch plywood there to have a kind of a cooking table or where I wanna put the stove. But as you're seeing on top here, that's a full-size mattress. We could have technically fit a queen, but the full was a little bit better with a little bit of side room on both sides for kind of like nightstand style. Stuff for phones and waters, etc. Yeah, you can actually see over here, this one right here is actually on a piano hinge, and you can actually hinge that over, so it's a little bit of a side table, but also you can hinge that and put things underneath that as well. And then the other side, coming into this side, is actually where you're gonna have the access to the other side of the drawer. And this under here, kind of awkward to get to, but that is gonna be about a 20-inch drawer, which you can access from this side. So that's the full 60-inch platform. There's the whole bed, plenty of room, plenty of headroom. These big old Squarebody Suburbans make a pretty nice option for sleeping inside of. This down here is actually the second seat, the bench seat folded down. Works really well for our big dog that we have. Our Cane Corso was able to sleep on here, and then our little dog just sleeps on the bed with us. So it's kind of cool. We can still have the seat for if we need to bring people with us. If not, we just fold it down for the pup. And then also we took out this seat here. This was a single seat, which we completely took out. Really nice to be able to have room to be able to get in and get out, change your clothes, whatever that may be. But that is pretty much it. And I'll kind of show you front here. The 37s actually fit tremendously well. We barely even had to trim anything on the front. You really can't even tell, to be honest. That's just kind of some other damage that we had, but really awesome that I was really happy that I was able to put 37s on there. And that's pretty much it. So having a lot of fun and having a really gorgeous night in Sedona.